It is possible. However, it is important to recognize that Allah, in His infinite wisdom, has made faith dear to you, bestowing upon you a precious gift that holds immeasurable value in your life. However, just the day before, he seemed rather unattractive. The Almighty made him adorable, and He adorned him in your hearts, beautifying him. It appears sweet, cute, and colorful from a distance, even though it seemed colorless and joyless. The tasteless and insipid things done by Muslims yesterday can unexpectedly become enjoyable, exciting, sweet, and colorful when experienced, giving a completely different perception. When the good Lord wants to do this, everything falls into place. You know how they make you feel things that don't exist through tiny touches on your brainwaves, hand senses, skin, and skin waves through electrons, electrolytes? It's like experiencing the reality of something that is the essence of the Almighty, the relationship with the owner of the universe, which is the greatest reality in the universe, what we call worship. Once the Almighty God begins to grant you the pleasure of it, you are unable to deprive a person of it. He made faith beloved to you and adorned it in your hearts. Similarly, He made that unfavorable environment, which until yesterday He could not bear to break away from, could not do without alcohol, could not do without this or that, could not live separate from such friends, detestable to you, even if you have an aversion to disbelief or if you simply find the idea of it unpleasant. Infidels, wicked sinners, disobedient, rebellious, and rebels hate you. It demonstrates rebellion in such an unpleasant manner that if they provided it for no charge in this way, you would not be inclined to partake in it. We hope that Allah, the Almighty, does not take our lives before He brings us to the state mentioned in this verse.